Okay, we're starting up the trail, and yesterday I treated all my clothes heavily with permethrin again. On the last hike, Mike picked up a tick, and I hate ticks, so I'm making sure that I'm doing what I can. It's a nice sunny day. In the creek.
Petrified wood.
Mike says this is a petrified stump. So it looks like a stump buried in ash. These become one of my favorite berries, thimbleberries. And those are the ones I really like. Thought I better do a little more video of what it looks like. Yeah, this is one of those cases where ecologically after the fire it's better off than it was before, but it is starting to grow up. Mike calls this meadow foam, as in running through the meadow. With views like this, a person could want to come back a few times. We were going to do this a couple weeks ago, actually about a month ago, and had other things happen. But I definitely want to get here in late winter or as soon as it's safe and get in here and get some video of the falls. Now this is doing it the hard way. The thing about up here on this trail, you gotta look everywhere, because there's a waterfall right there that we didn't see earlier from down below when I was trying to catch this. I definitely want to come back next winter or maybe really early spring when there's a lot of water coming over these. The trail continues, and it's a good trail. Yeah, I guess a little narrow in spots, but it's always, several feet wide and plenty of room. We're back to the parking lot. It was 13 miles and 1,300 feet of elevation. Heck of a hike. Well worth it. Definitely want to come back when there's a lot of water coming over those falls. So early spring or maybe late in the winter when it's we're able to do that.